Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will discuss the 5 most frequently asked questions about the Nokia 3210 4G feature phone. This is the new version of the iconic old Nokia 3210 with some modern features. We already published a full review of this phone along with other useful videos. I'll share them in the description with the product link. We got this from Amazon website. When we published a series of videos about this phone, some people asked the same specific questions frequently. So I would like to talk about them in this video and clear them. Now let's check out the video. The first question is, does it support Jio SIM? Yes, it supports Jio SIM. This is dual SIM actually. I'm using Jio SIM on this phone along with VI, Vodafone Idea SIM. Here and here. I have no issue to call or use the internet using this. Why do people ask this question? It is because of Jio 4G. I cannot use this SIM on my previous itel feature phone which doesn't support 4G. But this Nokia phone supports 4G, so we can use Jio SIM without any drawbacks. The second question is, does it have WhatsApp? Unfortunately, it doesn't have WhatsApp app. It may be a good thing or a bad thing, it depends, but I won't really miss it. I know we all use WhatsApp most of the time to make phone calls or send messages, even audio messages instead of normal calls or SMS. In the future, if they come up with a 5G phone version, then why not? They can maybe even keep a WhatsApp Lite app. Let's hope for the best till then. The third question is, why is my phone not supporting UPI? This is mainly because UPI is only for India. UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. This is India's instant payment system. Nokia provided GS app here, this one, which is a payment app that doesn't rely on the internet connection. They just use the SMS to connect with the server for making the payment transactions. We published a full review about configuring UPI and making payment using this phone. I'll link it below for you. Fourth question is, does it have hotspot connection? Even though this is a 4G phone, it doesn't come with Wi-Fi or hotspot support, unfortunately. Personally, I would have loved to see this. This is such a reliable feature phone with a good battery life, but unfortunately, it doesn't have hotspot support. Even though I use my primary phone as hotspot for my laptop whenever I travel, I would still love to keep a dedicated phone with a dedicated SIM card with enough data plan just for the hotspot feature. And the fifth question is, does it have GPS or maps? It doesn't have any GPS stuff. We can't use maps here. This would have been a helpful feature to track this phone's location, but unfortunately it doesn't have that. Some parents really love to give this phone to their children, a good way to restrict internet access and just to keep it only for emergencies. We can easily figure out our children's location when they are going out as well. Even this could have been a helpful device to our parents or grandparents when we want to keep track of them. I'll answer a sixth additional question as well. Can I watch YouTube videos on this? Yes, we can watch YouTube videos on this phone. We should have an active data plan for our phone number. Then head to this cloud app here. Here we can find the list of apps. Here we have 3 versions of YouTube. The usual YouTube app, YouTube Music and YouTube Shorts. I don't really spend a lot of time around here since the overall app usage is bad. But this can be useful if you just want to listen to some news or if you are extremely bored someday. I think these are the 5 frequently asked questions that I came across when I published these videos about this phone, Nokia 3210 4G. If you have any questions that we might have missed, kindly share them in the comment section. I'll definitely answer them. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.